Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show how to groundwater potential by using Google Earth Engine. So here is the Google Earth Engine. Today I want to show how to analyze groundwater potential by Google Earth Engine. That we can open Google Earth Engine. Look, here is the that we can find. Okay, click. So if you have an account, sign in, otherwise you can register through code editor. Okay, I'm already registered here. I'm already registered, and I want to call the shapefile of my study area. For example, I want to display Borana zone. So here is the Borana zone. We can amend Borana zone. So map at layer, then shift, then Borana, and then map center object, then Borana resolution. Let's say 8 by the resolution. So here is the shapefile of Borana zone. Let's for example 7. Look, here is the Borana zone. So I want to here is ground evaluate ground water recharge and Borana zone, southern Ethiopia. Good. So I wanted to call the script. So here is the script. Here is the Borana zone. So I already have your look. Here is the Borana zone. Later we can run. You see, and the start date is from 2001 up to 2024. 2024. Again, we can call trips and by the image collection from trips daily rainfall. Here is the precipitation, the minimum data requirement. Again, we need from the models, evapotranspiration, models of evapotranspiration. Here is that means models. Here is the models of evapotranspiration. Yeah, models of evapotranspiration. Again, annual recharge calculation. Here is the annual recharge calculation. Here is the precipitation. So here is the recharge. The annual precipitation subtract of the annual EVP or ET or evapotranspiration, and the visualization. Here is the visualization. Green, red, orange. Again, here is the map and the legend. Here is my legend. That means the groundwater recharge per year, millimeter per year, is by the amount from 0 up to 500. So you want to export, here is the export, how to export, here. If you want to recharge proxy, Borana zone, and the mean recharge from 2001 up to 2024. So from you are extracting here from the models, or yeah, from the models. Models means simply moderate or resolution imaging spectral radiometer. So by this calculation or script, you can downscale. For example, I want to export this file. For example, run into the Google Drive. So you see it is by file format is GeoTIFF, so run. I want to run, for example, look, here is running into the or exporting into the Google Drive. Google Drive. So wait until to finish the progressing to exporting Google Drive. Okay. Wait. So here is the Google Earth Engine for extracting of downscaling of groundwater potential areas. So wait until to finish exporting into the Google Drive. That you can wait. That we can wait. I can wait, yeah. That we can wait. Okay. So it need a time. It need a time to exporting into Google Drive. Okay. Let me can wait again also. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you see it is ongoing. Couldn't finish. And let we can check the Google Drive. Google Drive. Okay. Google Drive. Yeah, couldn't come. They are ongoing. Yeah, couldn't come to my Google Drive. Let we can wait. Let me can wait. I think it is. Exporting to the Google Drive. Let me can wait. Anyway, here is the procedure to do the groundwater recharge. Groundwater recharge, you know, here is the save as. Here is the groundwater recharge. Groundwater recharge of, let me say, B is what equal to the borel. Okay. So here is, let me wait a little bit, you know, this figure show is the potential of recharge area, groundwater recharge area. You see here is the maximum recharge potential. Here is a medium, you know, it is very little. It is, we say it is totally, there is no groundwater recharge in this area. Here is the green, it actually it is good. Yeah, it is actually, and when we can take this blue is, it is very good or nice. So by this calculation or by this procedure, we wanted to analyze groundwater recharge. Groundwater recharge. So it take a time to export, you know. When you export, for example, what I already did the previous, for example, you can open accordingly, open in Google Drive. You know, when here is the finish, you can say open in the Google Drive. For example, here is the script, here is the script. So when they finish, you are say by the open in Google Drive. Another, for example, if I want to show here also projection, you know, to the asset. So by this method, you want to open by the Google Drive. So thank you for your attention today.